Hello viewers, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Noor. I am a student of Sharkar Bazar Computer Academy at Learning English. For a few time, I am reporter. Now I am standing at Sharkar Bazar. I come from Dhaka. My channel name is Jamuna TV. I will tell you about Sharkar Bazar. Sharkar Bazar is a village market. Its area is 5 square kilometers. Sharkar Bazar has 5,000 people. Sharkar Bazar has many schools. Some school name is primary school, high school, Sharkar Bazar kindergarten school, Sharkar Bazar Computer Academy. Among them, the famous school name is Sharkar Bazar Computer Academy. Sharkar Bazar has many colleges. Some college name is United College, Women's College, Malik Nehru Memorial Academy. Among them, the famous college name is United College. Sharkar Bazar has many banks. Some bank name is Agrani Bank, Sonali Bank, Hubali Bank, etc. Sharkar Bazar has many. Among them, the famous bank name is Agrani Bank. Sharkar Bazar has many fast food shops. Some fast food shop name is Shad, Rasmalai, Dudh Malai. Among them, the famous fast food shop name is Shad. Sharkar Bazar has many buildings. Some building name is Shahjahan Complex, Nusrat Complex, Zamzam Tower, etc. Sharkar Bazar. Among them, the famous bank building name is Shahjahan Complex. That's all today. Again, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.